Hey guys, it's Amy and I am back with another jelly plate video. Today I'm going to be starting with this ultra marine blue. And this is a semi-transparent paint. I'm going to try a different mask that I've never used. It's just the bag that my onions came in, or maybe avocado, but I think it was onions. Oh, there's a piece of onion paper right there. Okay, I wonder if I can. Oh, I don't know. That might have been a mistake. That was a mistake. Okay. Living and learning. We're just going to live and learn together. Okay. It's like it never happened. And I'm just making a print today. This is very lightweight cardstock. I've never done this type of a mask before. I have no idea what this will be like, but it'll be fun. It'll be an experiment. Oh, that's cool. I like it. And now I'm going to pull this off, and then I don't know if you can see the ghost that it left behind. I think we're good. I'm going to do yellow on one side, and this is transparent yellow. And I'm going to do transparent red on the other side. It's probably plenty. Okay, make sure my brayer's clean, and we'll do yellow. When I'm applying the paint, I go in short, quick little strokes where I'm rolling, but I'm rolling and lifting. And I'm doing that to spread the paint around and also to create a really thin layer of paint. You have to move kind of fast because you don't want this layer of paint to dry before you can get your paper down. Okay, I'm just going to add some masks. These are just masks that I have made out of chipboard. Let's see, we'll do some overlapping, maybe some little circles. And then we need something in the corner. How about just a circle? We're going to quickly put this on. let's see what we've got. Ooh, this looks really cool. So you can see where I have the yellow, it has turned a greenish color, and the side that I put the red on is sort of a purple color. So I'm trying to think of what I could put over the whole thing now to get rid of some of this white. We could do more masks. While I'm thinking about that, I'm going to put a color down on top of this and pick up this ghost, the outline of the masks that I used. And I think to do that, I will use this green. One of the trickiest things about learning how to use a gel plate is getting the right amount of paint and working quickly enough that your paint doesn't dry before you pull your print off, which is what's happening to me because I'm not getting the right amount of paint, I can tell. And I'm gonna put this one in my art journal. Okay. Well, I definitely did not use the right amount of paint or the right thickness. Here's what I've got. So I need to pick out another color and try to pull this off. I think that I will go with this blue. We're just gonna experiment. Ooh, that's pretty. That looks great. Gonna give this one some time, see if we can pull all the paint off. Oh, I love this. Kind of looks like, I don't know, the ocean. It reminds me of water. It's really pretty. For this, I think I'm going to use a bright pink, and I'm going to mask off quite a lot because I'm not sure. I think the pink will look good here, and I think it'll look good here, but I don't know about that corner. I'm not sure. A lot of this for me, I'm not an artist, obviously. I didn't go to art school or anything, so I would say I'm a creative. I'm a creative type, and everything for me is like trial and error. So I know that I want to mask off this area, and that I'm going to put it like this. So I'm going to put, let's see, I'm going to put this down here. And then I'm going to use some thread. I love using this. I use it on almost every print I make. Okay, so cheers to pink. We'll see what happens. I liked the way that looked, so I'm feeling hopeful. Okay, here we go. Ooh, interesting. I really like the pink. I kind of wish that I would have done more pink over here and not so many masks. This would be really cool to use in a collage and like use this to make a fish because it kind of looks like fish scales. So maybe I'll try to do that. A lot of what I use these prints for, I mean, I just kind of do this for fun, and it's really therapeutic for me, and I have a lot of things going on in my life right now that are pretty heavy, and so I've been jelly printing like every day, all day for a while. And I love it so much, I thought that I would share some of this stuff, but okay, so yeah, maybe I will attempt to make a fish out of this in my next video. That sounds like a fun plan. Actually, it would go really well on here if I did like a blue and green background. Okay, well that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.